The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Bittorrent update again. Why not? Because it's going up, right? So we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna clean the screen. It's very messy right now. You can almost not see the charts. But I just wanna explain to you what we are seeing on the screen before we actually clean it and start doing some kind of analysis past that. See if this is bullish or bearish or stuff like that. But I just wanna ask you one thing, guys. I don't know much about Bittorrent. On this channel we just do technical analysis. Like we look if the chart is gonna go up or down. Doesn't matter what kind of chart it is, it's gonna go up or down. But today I found out there's something called Bittorrent X. Now, if somebody can explain to me what Bittorrent X is, I would be very grateful. And I know you guys know what Bittorrent X is because you are in that fundamental thing going on. So write down a comment because I have no clue what it is. I've just found out that it's a thing. So I want to know. I want to know if I can make money on that, you know. Okay, anyways, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening here. I'm gonna start you explaining what we are seeing on the screen right now. The previous yellow part was when we were breaking the first pump, then we are in this yellow areas getting resistance, and then we pumped again, right? And then after the pump we got into this top over here. I said this is the top, it's gonna go sideways. It went sideways. Now we're in a triangle, and in this triangle we said I think it's better look on the 4 hourly. This we were down here when we did 3 days ago, I think 2 days ago, we did this triangle. It was bearish triangle, that's why you can see these arrows on the downside, because we are below this 10 and 20 moving average, but then slowly we climbed above them and actually we broke on the upside. So the thing was, we had this triangle over here, and as soon as we broke the triangle we could go two ways, right? If we broke it, I said we will go all the way up to the top over here, to this resistance line. But the targets, if you see this area up here marked and marked down there, that would mean that this triangle is confirming that we are going to go all the way up there. And you can see here that the wick actually came to that area, almost to that area. So the this triangle, maybe it was supposed to be drawn like this instead, and then it would be more correct. Let's try it again, just to see. And break out here. Now it's actually all the way up there. I don't know how I draw it, but it was last time we drew this triangle and targets, it was up there. Anyways, doesn't matter. Right now you can see here that we got to this resistance line. We are getting pushed back and waiting for the moving averages. So next move is actually going to be getting up to this resistance line and breaking it. And if you break it, we should go all the way up to 0.060. So that's actually the price target for us. But as you can see from the last time, this moving averages, we were below the moving average, but now we are climbing up it. So let's clean up this and start all over again, just a little bit. I don't think we needed this triangle over here anymore, but I'm just going to draw the upper line for it, maybe even the lower line, something like this. So you can see it. We don't need it. Let's look at the moving averages. You can see this is a 4 hourly moving average. Like I said, when you are below the moving averages, you are bearish. When you are above, you are bullish. And right now we are above all the moving averages. Not all that, we jumped all the way to the tops over here, and now we're getting back to the sports. I think this is some kind of bottom before we actually move further up. Either that, or it's gonna go all the way down to the 20 moving average and this 50 moving average. But it depends. It depends on how slow and how much pump fundamentals. I don't know how Ivan Tech says that word. Pumpamentals. I don't know how much pumpamentals this has right now, how much people are miming this into existence. So right now what you can see, I either support on this 10 moving average, or the fall back to the 20 moving average, or sideways movements until the 20 moving average catch with us, and then moving up to the 0.060 line. That's all up there. Let's put it back up to target. It was 0.60, something like this. Let's just so we can see where we should go. So the target for right now should be around 60% gain, which is pretty decent right now. But this isn't all the way there. It has little move either sideways, or because it has to, you know, this is 4 hours, it has to wait for the moving averages. So let's look at how this looks on daily. You can see here that on daily we already started climbing the 10 moving average. So, and not only that, look on the daily. So this can actually explode any time now, because we are above this all-time high. Is this all-time high? Yeah, this is all-time high. Is this all time? Yeah, this is all-time high. So we closed above all-time high on the daily right over here, retested. Now today we are trying to see if this will hold or not, but we actually got support on the 10 moving average. I know this seems like a big gap between the 10 moving average and the price, but when you kind of zoom out, you know, you kind of see that it is kind of support. It is support. Usually people think, I did not hit the 10 moving average, there is no support. And usually people miss out on the moves, but this is the support on 10 moving average, so it might go some kind of sideways. It might actually get further support on the move, on the move up. So our target, it's not a big target up, but right now the target should be around 60. So let's see what's actually happening with the moving averages down here. The MACD is actually bullish. It's been bullish forever. Let's see on the weekly, bullish. Everything is good, especially on the daily. The RSI on the daily, this indicator over here, it's not overbought. So I like that very much. It's around 76 now, but you see that now that the price is going up. The price is going actually up. It's not a week, but it's the price is going up, but this RSI is going down. It's down, right? So this means this is divergence, RSI divergence. That means the price should go down, but the thing is, people don't understand, this is not confirmed yet. So this can just continue going up. It will still be divergence, but the RSI will also continue going up until there is no more divergence left, right? And then you have normal movement up. So I think this move is gonna go higher up, at least until this RSI gets above this level over here, 89. So as long as you see that RSI is not above 81, I don't think we're gonna have any kind of pullback anymore. A big pullback. You might go kind of sideways or something like that, to just wait for the moving averages, like. But I don't think there is going to be a very big pullback like over here, this pullback over here. I don't think we're going to get anything like that anytime soon. It can happen, but that, you know, never say never. But assuming that crypto is just going through a big correction phase, you know, Bitcoin and all of that shebang, I don't think there should be any kind of pullback. So what are we watching right now? Well, we are watching the 4 hourly. We are not watching daily. We are watching the 4 hourly. We want to get support at least on the 20. Worst case scenario, we want to get support on the 50 moving average. We don't want to go down to the 100. Yeah, I mean, sure, it can wait down for 100 moving average, because this is 4 hourly and you can still be bullish, but right now it looks actually it looks decent enough. So let me just check how the weekly candles are, and weekly candle is above the previous, so it looks good. Everything is, I especially like this candle over here that we went above the all-time high. So all in all, it looks decent. The target is still 0.60, especially since we broke out to this triangle over here. We broke out to the triangle on the upside. Not only that, once we broke it all the way to the above the all-time high over here, and that to me confirms that this triangle was actually the real triangle. Because if it wasn't real triangle, you know, sometimes the price only goes something like this. It breaks out, goes up, and it's continue going down. And usually that means that this triangle that you had over here was actually something like this, right? And now you have to wait even longer, because if it had stopped over here at the top over here, then I could say, yeah, it's this line was not the correct line, and it's actually this line that's actually correct line. But there is no misunderstanding right now, because this price went all the way up to the point. So the worst case scenario is you have to draw something like this, like, you know, but it just doesn't seem plausible. Maybe something like this, and then you got some kind of rising channel, you know. But to me, this triangle looks pretty decent. We are above it. We are good. All we want to see now is these 3 moving averages, 10, the 20, and the 50 moving average. Especially the 20 moving average. I think this might actually pump on the 20 moving average. But we have to see. But my target right now is 0.0060 for the next move. And as we've seen before, the Bittorrent is not a parabolic move kind of thing. It's more like dodge, like pump sideways, pump sideways, pump sideways, you know. So Once it starts pumping, it's gonna go fast and you're gonna miss it. Again, not financial advice and all that. You do your trades, I'll do my trades and my opinions only. But subscribe to the channel, that's my opinion and that's my advice. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video because we are doing BitTorrent videos. Probably the best technical analysis channel out there over here. We are pure technical analysis channel. That's our profession, that's our authority, that's what we do over here. Also like the video, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And write down in comments what is BitTorrent X. I don't get it. Thanks for watching, see you again tomorrow or some day after that when something's actually happening. Bye bye.